Thinking about a career as a chef? Working in a kitchen can be really rewarding if you're passionate about food and can work well under pressure. Chefs work in kitchens in hotels, restaurants and cafés and prepare meals for guests to enjoy. Lots of chefs specialise in one cuisine or type of cooking, so you could find yourself specialising in indigenous ingredients, whipping up desserts, or preparing gourmet avo on toast in a cafe. Chefs need to be creative and inventive with a strong understanding of how flavours and ingredients work together. You could be responsible for serving customers, preparing menus, supervising junior cooks, and ordering supplies. Kitchens can be hectic places, and you'll need to be able to stay calm under pressure. Chefs rarely work alone, so you'll need to be able to cooperate with others and work as a team. It's likely that you'll need to work outside of normal business hours, and you can expect to work early mornings, late nights, and on weekends as well. But there are lots of jobs for qualified and experienced chefs, and the industry is expected to grow. You don't need to go to uni to become a chef, but you can expect to do some training. Starting out as a kitchen hand will give you experience and you can work your way up. Want to find out more? Head to Study Work Grow for all the details.